good afternoon for this one. Usually we had the barista course. This is my student. Her name is...
My name is Rino. I'm from Japan. I have stayed for 1 month.
So my name is 𝙍𝙤𝙪𝙧𝙞 Sanchez. I'm the barista in JIC. As a barista, I also teach the students who are applying for the barista course about coffee. At first, when they are applying for barista course, I explain what they will be learning during the 12 days, which is about coffee and latte art. So first, I teach them about information about coffee beans. Next, I also teach them about the machine and how they use them. And third, I teach them on how to make the coffee menus, like for example, Americano, latte, cappuccino, and more. And fourth, I teach them how to clean our machines, like the closing procedures. And fifth, I teach them how to communicate with the customers.
I didn't know how to make a coffee or anything regarding barista.
So, why did you join the barista class?
I joined this class because I'm going to Canada on a working holiday, and I want to be a barista staff in a cafe. But I'm not sure how to make a coffee and how to make a latte art. So I want to learn make a coffee in this class. After that, I use the skill in Canada.
How was your learning experience in the barista class?
I experienced how to make latte art and how to make steam the milk. And this is difficult for me, but I'm getting better little by little to make a coffee.
Do you have a favorite moment that you like in the class?
Make a latte art, because I think to make a latte art is cool and beautiful.
What is the main goal of the barista class?
The role of being barista is to make a good tasting coffee and to make the customer satisfied when it comes to coffee. Usually, our coffee is like a logic. Also, there's a meaning to the people. That's why as a barista, I always serve according to the customer's taste. What I always communicate with them and ask what kind of taste they like.
Would you recommend the barista class to future students?
Yes, I want to recommend, because this experience is so very important, especially to students who was right to learn more about making coffee.
The biggest change isn't just their coffee skills, it's their confidence. Speak yours, live the English!